Hey there, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. If you're a coach, mentor, or trainer, this podcast is the place to learn strategies that work and get results. And what I want to talk about is content creation and coming up with ideas for content based on your existing content. This is something that I do often. And now that we have so many great AI tools that are out there, my favorite as of today, Grok 3 is incredible. We've been using DeepSeek, Chat GPT, all these different AI algorithms. But the way that I use them is for brainstorming ideas. And so one of my favorite ways is that I will take any piece of existing content that I have, and I'll have the AI come up with ideas for me for additional pieces of content that's related to those. And this is how I actually come up with most of my content creation ideas in my business, is I have the AI not just like recycle existing content that I have, but brainstorm new concepts around the topics that I'm doing. Now, one of the best ways to do this is if you can have sessions that are Q&A sessions with real people that you're coaching, people that you're mentoring. And so what I love to do, and this is one of the number one strategies that I recommend to my clients when they hire me to work one-on-one with them, is are you looking at your transcripts? Are you looking at your Q&A sessions? Are you taking transcripts of the Q&A sessions that you spend with clients and using those to your advantage with AI? And so I want to show you how we've been able to do that and how to be able to do that. Just as an example, what I have right here, I have transcripts from actually 3 different sessions that I did with clients. And so what I want to do is actually want to pull those up with AI, and I want to show you the many different ways that we can use these transcripts to come up with different ideas for content. And you can do the same thing with your transcripts, with your AI as well. So right here we have the transcripts, and I'm going to open up ChatGPT 4.0 because that's what most everybody has right here. Let's open up a new chat, and I'm going to say, take the following and generate me 10 ideas for Instagram Reels based on the top questions asked in these transcripts. And by the way, you can take any piece of content and do this with it. You can even take YouTube videos and do this. I could take any kind of YouTube video I can imagine and be able to do this. Now what I like to do is take my own content that I'm doing. For example, here's a video that I did about a month ago, new updated sales framework for 7-figure coaches. Great video. If I go into YouTube, if I'm over here on YouTube, okay, I'm going to move the screen over so you can actually see it. Transcript, if I go to show transcript, here's the transcript. Show transcript is under the description. Now I can copy the transcript right here, and I can open up another window of ChatGPT, and I can say, take the following transcript and generate me 10 ideas for additional related YouTube videos that are not the same topic but would apply to the same target customer. They need to be related to the topic of the transcript below and connected very closely but different. And then you can just paste the YouTube content right there, and now this is going to give me some ideas from a video that I can make on how to do this. So that video is on a sales framework. Now we do the biggest mistake coaches make to not attract clients, and not that great. And what I'm looking for is what stands out to me. What kind of pops out of the screen as a good idea? How to position yourself as authority, why coaching offer isn't selling, the secret to getting coaching clients without relying on social media, how to use email marketing. That's a good one. How to use short form content. Yeah, so let's say I'm going to use this now for my content. I'm going to make a piece of content based on this. Draw some lines. Map me out an outline for this training based on this topic using the transcripts I gave you above. Okay. Training outline. What to expect, why email marketing is a powerful tool, why you need to rely, you can't just rely on social media, the psychology behind email, why people buy behind it, 3 core email sequences, lead nurture sequence, conversion sequence, yep, that's it. Re-engagement sequence. This is awesome. And so what this did was, this gave me an idea now for content based on pre-existing content that I already had from a transcript right there, okay? Let's go over here, Reels ideas. These are Instagram Reels ideas based on those transcripts right here. Secret breathwork hacks, celebrity use data. Okay, so that was actually something that we were talking about with one of my clients. That was one of their offers. So that is part of the reason why it was giving us that. Why your social media posts aren't getting sales and what to do. You're posting every day but nobody's buying. Content breakdown, why organic posting alone doesn't work to introduce the power of ads. All right, so write me some content around this. I can literally have it write me some content that I can use around this. Why organic posting alone doesn't work. Reality check, posting on social media every day, but you're still struggling to get clients. The algorithm is not on your side. No control over reach, audience fatigue. What's the solution? Strategic lead magnets, paid ads that work. Think of it this way, organic posting is like fishing with a tiny net. So this is actually really good, but I don't like the cadence and the tone of this content. I don't like the tone of this. Make it more practical, down to earth, no emojis, simple 5th grade language, something a farmer or a grandma could understand, but still gets the point across to powerful CEOs. Okay? So that's another great thing that I could do. Why posting daily won't get you clients? A lot of people think that if they just post enough, clients will come. Here's why. Most of their followers never see your posts. You have no control over the algorithm. Likes don't pay the bills. So what works? Instead of hoping to find the right people, have a lead magnet and then use ads. Bottom line is posting every day and hoping for sales isn't a reliable strategy. Yep, very true. And so, again, that's just one example of how I could come up with content based on my transcripts and my training that I have come up with. Okay? Now I could do another thing right here is I could actually take this and I could use the same content and I could say, take the transcript, this is of the YouTube video, of the YouTube video alone and split the main points out into 10 Instagram Reels ideas. And so what this does is this gives us different ideas that we could use to create content. And so that's just a couple of the ways that we can use our transcripts and existing content. We're not necessarily just repurposing the content, though there are tools to use that, like Opus Clip allows you to take your own video content and it will actually clip it down for you into Instagram Reels. But this is actually coming up with ideas for new pieces of content so that you never run out of them, and it helps brainstorm those for you. And so these are ways that I use all the time, whether I'm coaching my coaching group, I'm creating podcasts just like this one, or creating YouTube videos, as I use AI to help me come up with ideas of what to talk about, what to create content for. And you can as well. I'd highly recommend it. All right? Listen, if you want to grow your coaching business, if you want to get more clients, I'd love to work with you in my Wealthy Coach Academy program. Click on one of the links below, and we'll get you some more info on that. Talk soon.